Hello guys, welcome to Mercedes-Benz King. This is a skeleton of the 300 SL, and for this celebrative days we are at Motor Classic Hungary with classic Mercedes-Benz cars, full quality. So in this video we will take the Pagoda with a hardtop for a drive to the main building. So just follow me. There's a beautiful beige interior that I will just get inside. Close the door, beautiful closing sound, and let's admire the rear of this iconic 300 SL with the gull-wing doors. 3D light guys, beautiful. And let's start the engine of the Pagoda 280 with a 6-in-line engine. So I will take the key, which looks like this in the 60s, insert it, and let's start the engine. We will switch on the lights and let's put this manual into its first gear. We can release the handbrake. Let's go. So guys, there we arrived at our final destination at Motor Classic Hungary. Beautiful sound when the door closes of this Pagoda 280 SL. So let's go inside. We will walk alongside the beautiful chromed rear. This must be one of the best presents you can get during Christmas, the Pagoda, with a beautiful, huge painting of the 300 SL. What a nice atmosphere at Motor Classic Hungary. And this Pagoda really matches the Christmas tree, as it has this green color with matching interior leather and also matching color at the wheel caps. I will quickly open the door and just listen to the sound and nostalgia of before. That's how a door needs to sound when it closes. Beautiful steering wheel with a chrome part around it. Beautiful Mercedes star. Let me just quickly switch the key for the lights to work. And the same goes for the lights in the front. It will be activated once you switch the light. And there we notice the air conditioning system lighting up. Beautiful leather, all done in-house at Motor Classic with the fabric in the back. Beautiful design, guys. Great quality with chrome part around it, all done in-house, including the Mercedes star, obviously the bumpers, exhaust pipe, and the fuel cap right here. 280 SL lettering. Mercedes emblem on the bonnet, which is huge obviously, with beautiful lines for the Pagoda. The lights are also restored, redone, great quality. One line for the SL in the front grille, and I am really in love with the beautiful exterior color. Just look at the living room theme in the background. Great guys here at Motor Classic. What I also find fascinating is the round-shaped curve of the window with beautiful chroming, the windshield wiper, both of them, and this design right here. great quality. Obviously you can also close the hardtop. There we have the amazing chrome part. It actually looks better than how it came from factory. It is also more durable. So guys, thanks for watching Mercedes-Benz King. I hope you liked the video with the Pagoda here at Motor Classic Hungary, and we all wish you great holiday seasons and a happy new year. Bye bye guys.